What's poppin'?
Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex and I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady A. You know what it is.
Oh yeah. Hope you guys are good. Like my kind of too. Can you please subscribe on our channels? I can start with the main channel, Lady N for What's Poppin'. And then the second channel is Apex Wave Studios, guys. So Lady N and Apex Wave Studios, guys. We still got you entertained with our content. Yeah, so we're just gonna get straight to it, guys. We start with the latest updates on Amapiano. So Thatohatsi regained strength after being body shamed by Unota and Sfiso on Piano Pulse. So
guys, body shaming like wrong, cause like umuntu like angaza enze into yabo bayacabanga ukuthi uzoyenza azibulala. Understand? Inhliziyo zabantu asifani. So like body shaming ngicela ukuthi nje istopeni guys, yo.
Yeah, and especially from guys, because baphilisa like abantu besifazane kabuhlungu, yabo. I mean, like she even had to remove her pictures on IG. Imagine. Like, why did it have to come to that point? Alright, guys, let's get to another segment. Young Stunna bought his mom a car, guys. Oh, that's the biggest achievement.
Young Stunna, clock it. Nice.
Shout out to Stunna. Yeah, young artist do this. Yeah.
True. Umzali wakho ungamkhohlwa musupupile, guys. Like, bathini konke kuqala kuphi ekhaya ukuze zonke indlela zakho zizokhanya.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, bafethu. Ungakhohlwa niphuma khona.
Yeah. So,
right, let's get to another one. Usfiso apologizes to Thatohatsi. I guess we need to watch the episode now.
Sisibonele ukuthi uthini, but it's same ukuthi yonke lento ayishoyo iphuma la ngaphakathi. Not like for views nje ukuthi nje akhulume just nje. Same nje ukuthi uxolisa like uphuma ngaphakathi kuyi.
Because even to body shame Thatohatsi, they even did that for views. Like, I'm pretty sure
guys,
they did that for
the Piano Pulse.
Yeah. I mean, like, they should invite young people like us, with Piano Pulse, to talk about the piano, because it seems like Abantu Barana, their show, they don't really deserve to be on that show. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, let's conclude the episode. We are now concluding the episode with very sad news, a very tragic story that happened on Monday. So we are sending deep condolences to the young lives lost and the families to heal.
This is so heartbreaking, guys. Like, this is so sad. Like, yazi umzali la sakathekela umntana wakhe like inform entsha, ecithule zesikole ezintsha, ukuthi find out ukuthi nangu lapha umntana like angazi ukuthi ngibeke kanjani. This is so painful, guys. This is so painful. Abazali the way siba disturbing ngakhona, because like akabelieve like ukuthi like ngiyaphupha oluvele kanti i-reality, guys.
Yeah, I feel you, baby. Even to explain such thing, like it's very hard, guys. To even shoot this, to even shoot the show there, like to conclude the show there with this, I think we need to like respect and take a moment of silence. Show my pair, because we just wanted to send condolences to the families because they lost abantwana and innocent kids,
guys,
just because of reckless driving, guys. Reckless driving.
Guys, this driver uncane 22 years, akana license, like kuningi
akana permit. Imoto ayina license disc. For
ufuna nomgwaqweni umuntu wenza kanjalo, guys. I hope if footage ngiyitholile besizoyilalela yona, but asinayo.
Yes, we couldn't get it.
But ngiyazi ukuthi through social media platforms na kanjani nibonile nimbhekeni ukuthi uwenzini.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Let's see you on the next episode 6. What's popping? Stay tuned with us, guys. It's DJ Apex, and I've got Lady Ann with me at all times, guys. This is our show.
Yes, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Watch and subscribe, guys.
Let us please take a moment of silence, at least 5 to 10 seconds, just to respect and honor the young lives lost. Yeah.